Title: Bitcoin ETF approved for listing, a milestone for the crypto market. Introduction. In a significant development for the cryptocurrency market, the much-awaited Bitcoin Exchange-Traded Fund (ETF) has finally received approval for listing. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) announced its decision on date, stating that the Bitcoin ETF meets all regulatory requirements. This breakthrough is expected to have far-reaching implications for both institutional investors and the broader crypto community. Background. Bitcoin ETFs have been a topic of discussion for several years, with numerous applications being rejected by the SEC in the past. The introduction of a regulated Bitcoin ETF would allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning it, utilizing the infrastructure and safeguards provided by traditional exchanges. This would open up the crypto market to a wider range of investors, including those who are more risk-averse and prefer regulated investment vehicles. The approval process. The approval process for the Bitcoin ETF involved a thorough examination by the SEC, focusing on factors such as market manipulation concerns, custody arrangements, and investor protection measures. The SEC's decision to greenlight the Bitcoin ETF indicates their confidence in the maturity and stability of the cryptocurrency market. Key features of the Bitcoin ETF. 1. Ticker symbol. The Bitcoin ETF will be listed under the ticker symbol $IBIT, $RKB, $BTCW, $BTCO, $BATB, $HODL, $EZBC, $FBTC, $BRR, $GBTC, $DFI on the name of stock exchange. 2. Custody. The ETF will utilize a reputable custodian to securely hold the underlying Bitcoin assets, ensuring proper safeguards for investors. 3. Creation and redemption. The ETF will allow for the creation and redemption of shares, enabling market participants to trade the ETF in a regulated environment. 4. Expense ratio. The Bitcoin ETF will have a competitive expense ratio, making it an attractive option for investors seeking exposure to Bitcoin. Implications for institutional investors. The approval of the Bitcoin ETF is expected to pave the way for institutional investors to enter the crypto market. Many institutional investors have been hesitant to directly invest in cryptocurrencies due to regulatory concerns and custody challenges. The introduction of a regulated ETF provides a familiar investment vehicle, increasing their comfort level and potentially attracting significant capital inflows. Market impact and outlook. The announcement of the Bitcoin ETF approval has already sparked a surge in Bitcoin prices, with the cryptocurrency reaching a new all-time high of price within hours of the news. Market analysts predict that the ETF listing will further boost Bitcoin's mainstream adoption and potentially lead to increased acceptance of other cryptocurrencies. In addition to the immediate price impact, the Bitcoin ETF's listing is expected to enhance market transparency and liquidity. Market participants will have access to real-time pricing and trading, fostering a more efficient and mature market for cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. The approval of the Bitcoin ETF for listing is a significant milestone for the cryptocurrency market. It provides a regulated investment vehicle for both institutional and retail investors, thereby expanding the accessibility and legitimacy of cryptocurrencies. While there are still challenges and uncertainties ahead, the Bitcoin ETF listing represents a major step towards mainstream acceptance and integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional financial systems.